The end result is superb, really high quality print. Let's 3D print these stackable wall-mounted storage boxes. The model looks really nice. I'm trying to hide the seam, so it will be inside these corners, also some at the inside part, but nothing really special. I can leave the print settings file so you can get the same results like me. My main wish here is to get a high print quality, so 1 hour 29 grams of filament, not that bad. I'm using a black PLA filament. I already printed a few. They are stackable, they can be mounted on the wall with a mounting bracket. Really nice storage boxes for your workshop or just to use them on the desk. My warm recommendation.